Yalla. Yan. Pipitas uli ng bulaklak. Ayan o. Bulaklak. Ayan. Oh. Pipitasan ng bulaklak. Oh, ayan. Ah. Oh, ayan. Puto. Oh, yun lang. Oh, ayan. Puto raw. Puto. Oh. Ayan. Pipitasan.
Ada Nokia ada?
Nokia 2.5. Ah. Yalla. Ayan. Ganda niyan. Oh. Ayan.
Father ada satu tuh. Biar go one line after.
Ah, no problem.
वो इधर छोड़ के गया आदमी लोग
Ayan oh, dami yan.
इधर आप छोड़ के गए
Pitasan na yun, pitasan na. Where?
Why people jumping like this?
I don't know, maybe no like too much flower.
It's not normal ada.
Ayos ba? Ayan. Yan yung ano. Yung irrigation responsible yan. Reggie baby. Ayan. Well, after looking there in the Philippines, ewan ko nasa na yung partner ko si Mo. Baka nagpalit ng ha? Yes, video. Yes. Mapi YouTube, TikTok. Ngayon pahirapan ngayon siguro abutin ng mga alas 10 ngayon, 10 o'clock. Because lately na kami nagpunta rito. Kaya si Thailand nagpalit ng damit. No? May take 12 minutes. No coming technical technical housekeeping. They have one, I think I see one housekeeping. If inform yesterday to manager, After all people coming. Huh? Because yesterday finish 10:15 like that. So we not observe this time yesterday. Now Friday. After this people quickly coming. 7 o'clock are there waiting this bus. Yes. After this Mr. Abdullah, one by one knock the door. If yesterday informed their time punching area, people quickly. I don't know why that other person no like. This overtime.
No give overtime this.
No give overtime. Oh, rest one day. Why he take name this people coming inside? So Jalal take name one by one. Why not what take that? Why he take that number? So Jalal no giving that name in the.
No, morning give.
Oh. Yes, one by one. Because my partner very quickly wake up. 4 o'clock. After me also wake up. Okay, no problem. Ayan o, dami pa yan. Hindi namin alam kung anong oras matatapos tong pitasang to. Ayan. Makakapanood ng video ito, sawa kayo manood ng bulaklak namin. Rose Garden Farm.
Actually, why not checking that?
When?
Actually also.
Huh?
Actually.
Actually also. Problem there? No problem there? Inside? I checked there before, but only maybe inside. I bring a camera there, but only maybe 10 seconds like that. This inside factory. Maybe this responsible there strictly problem. After complaint to Askari. Why you make photo like that?
Maybe next week I know how.
Oh, that? They have. Maybe, I don't know. This is span what percent? 50 or what? 50%? This span. This line. Okay, hinto ko muna at hindi ako makapagporma pagka single hand ang gamit ko. Maya-maya na uli. Ayan. Katapos na ng isang expand, isang linya. Comment, subscribe, share, and check. Post the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang video. Hanggang sa muli, bye-bye! Dito na yung service namin nakatutok na.